Hello everybody, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I demonstrate how to assemble the brackets on the MaggieFrame when you receive the package. In the shipping package, you will find the MaggieFrame main body inside packaged with the plastic bag, and also inside you will see a small bag of a screw inside. Also, in the same time, in the shipping package, you will receive the brackets which can fit on exactly your machine. So when you receive this, firstly you use scissors to cut it, and you take it out and open it. Just be careful. When you cut the plastic bag of the MaggieFrame main body, you will have the brackets. This bracket is for the tajima. The distance is 360mm, and you will get a bag of screws. So when you do the assembly of the brackets on the main body, you will do the assembly same as the tajima original regular hoop. Cut the plastic bag, so you will get the brackets. The original hoop is like this. Take any direction, like this. You see, it's the same as the original tajima regular hoop. Just open the small bag of the screw. There is the copper nut inside in the plastic, so it's very easy for you to find the position. If a finger is not easy, you can also use a screwdriver. When you finish the three of it, you can use a screwdriver to tighten it. Okay, finish the assembly. So when you finish the assembly, you will see the same. And because the tajima, the brackets, there is a chamfer. There is a chamfer like the original regular one. So our brackets also have a chamfer here. As we know, this will help you when you push. It's easier to push on the arm of the machine. Yeah, this is the assembly of the brackets for the magnetic hoop, the MaggieFrame. If you buy the MaggieFrame like this is for the sleeve, and you will find that here for the brackets there's so many holes. So how you choose which position is good for you? I take an example. This bracket is for the Happyjapan embroidery machine. We cut it. And this one is the Happyjapan embroidery machine, the original regular hoop. The direction as the original one. Okay, this hoop normally here, this is the head, this is the in front, this is the back. When you put the machine, you put like this way. It's the same. The Happy machine here, you mount on the machine, you also do like this. They have chamfer here. Our bracket is the same. So you do this direction and this direction. But how you find the holes, which hole is the best one, it depends on the machine. If a Happy machine, it is okay. Any hole is okay. But if you start from the first one, the right brackets, here it's the same. The first hole, the left brackets. If you want start from the third one, the third hole here, in the same. This is from the third one. The MaggieFrame, the magnet is very strong. So when you open it like this, like this. When you close it, you need like this, the finger lead outside. For example, for this kind of big MaggieFrame. So you put like this. And when you finish the embroidery job, you stock the MaggieFrame, what we normally do is like this. We open it like this and put on the table and and the way like this is okay. And then you can hang this on the wall. So next time when you use it, you take it off and it's already opened. So when you do the embroidery job, you can start. So that's the way we stock it. It's okay. It's okay, like this. Also, if you stock like this, it's also okay because the magnet is very strong and our magnet is permanent. That means these magnets, the magnetic power will stay for a lot of years. So don't worry about that. If you do like this, the magnetic power will lose day by day. No, it's permanent magnet. This, if you stock, open it just like this is okay. So you can hang on the wall or put it someplace. You stock the magnetic hoop or MaggieFrame. This same, already like this. It's okay. Just stop. It's okay. Stock this way is also okay. But for the small MaggieFrame magnetic hoop, here it's okay. You can do any direction. For example, you have fabric here to do the embroidery job, and here they can go this way. So you can do like this. So this is in front because this area is so small. Here will not touch the bar of the arm of the embroidery machine. So for the small MaggieFrame magnetic hoop, this is okay. There is no direction requested. But the big one, it's better. It's better here is close to the people. So here you have more space. You have more space to the bar of the arm, or you can adjust here. You can adjust brackets to the here. So this will go this direction. So you have more embroidery area for your project.